Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you could upload MIDI files for my Roblox game. The first thing you gotta do is download this Python file. Link is provided in the description. Basically, the script takes in the raw ASCII data of the file, and converts the special characters that cannot be copied in the clipboard, into an escape code, which will be turned back to the original ASCII form in the code. But before being able to run the script, you're gonna need to go through multiple steps. First off is installing Python, which is pretty straightforward. For this, you need to open your browser and go to python.org, navigate to the Downloads tab and select Download Python 3.13.2. It will directly download the installer. In this case I downloaded a pre-release, adding multiple steps. But it is not required. The download shouldn't be very long. I disabled the path length limit so that Python could bypass the max_path limit in the system environment's variables. For the next step, you must install the dependencies of the Python script. This includes 3 libraries: tkinter, tkinter DND2, and pyperclip. Tkinter is used to create the window, tkinter DND2 is used to make the drag and drop system, and finally, pyperclip is used to copy the data of the file to the clipboard. Pretty neat. To install these libraries, you need to use the pip command that is included with Python by default. The commands are pym/pip install tk. The next one is pym/pip install tkinter DND2. And finally the last one is pym/pip install pyperclip. Once all of this is done, you can finally run the Python script. You can either open it by going into the directory of the Python file and running py and the name of the application. Or you could simply right-click on the file and open it with Python. Normally a window should open. And all you have to do at that point is drag and dropping the MIDI file into the window. I would recommend using Online Sequencer to find MIDI files. It's free and easy to use. Now be careful because some type of MIDI files aren't compatible with the game. The main thing you should look out for is MIDIs with multiple instruments or tracks. Once you drop the file into the program, make sure to not copy anything else, because it will override your clipboard and it won't work. Now just click the paste file box and press Ctrl+V on your keyboard and the file will instantly play. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Have a wonderful day.